boys and girls, Mrs. Knox here, and we're going to do one of the activities that is from our choice board that says to count the coins that your mom or dad might have in their wallet or in their pocket. And as you know, I love coins and I love counting coins. So I'm going to show you how this works, and then you can try it on your own. I'm also going to show a picture of a worksheet that you could do. You could write your answers on a piece of notebook paper, and you can send me a picture of your completed work on Dojo. All right, so here's my piggy bank. This is the one I have been telling you about all year that I have been collecting coins in. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shake out a few of the coins. I got an old sock in here that's closing it up. I'm just going to shake some out. A nice collection. And I'll show them to you here in a second. Let me put my pig to the side. Let's do a quick review of the names of the coins and what their values are. So the first coin, and my favorite, is the quarter, and its value is what? How much is it worth? If you said 25 cents, you're right. And remember that when we count the quarter, we can touch it 5 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, the next coin is the dime. And the value of the dime is what? What is the value of this coin? You're right, it's 10 cents. That's how much it's worth. And I can touch that coin twice, 5, 10, to count it. Then I have the nickel. And the value of the nickel is 5 cents. You are correct. I touch it one time, and then I have the little penny that is worth 1 cent. And I have to count that in afterwards. All right, so let's count some coins. Right, so here are the coins that I shook out of my piggy bank. And usually what I want to do when I have a collection of coins to count, it's usually easier to count the coins with the highest value first, and then always do the pennies last. And as I look at my coins here, I actually have some that we don't see very often. So this one is, oh, there it is a silver dollar. It's called a Susan B. Anthony silver dollar. That's the name of the lady that's there on the front. And then I also, in this collection, had this coin, which is a 50-cent piece. And it's also not a very common coin. And that has John F. Kennedy on the face. It's worth 50 cents. So I'm just going to put those to the side, and I'm going to look at this collection of coins. So I've got some quarters to count. So I'm going to put them together, and I'm going to count them first. And so I have 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So I've got 50 cents in quarters. Then I'm going to count my dimes. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, $1. So right there I have $1. So I'm going to kind of hold that in my brain, and then I'm going to count the rest of my coins that'll be over $1. So I've got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then I'm going to add my pennies last. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and then there's one hiding down there, 36. I have this combination of coins, or this collection of coins. I could write it as $1 and 36 cents. All right, I'm going to give you 2 collections of coins. So I need you to get a piece of notebook paper or any kind of paper and a pencil or a crayon, whatever writing utensil you have. And I'm going to show you some coins, and I want you to see if you can count them. So I'll wait, and you go ahead and get a piece of paper and all right, here's my first collection of coins. So I want you to go ahead and count that. And I'll group my coins a little bit so that you can see. I've got 2 quarters and 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies. All right, another few seconds. Write it down on your paper. And I will reveal the answer. If you counted for this collection of coins 78 cents, then you were correct. 78 cents. I've got 25 and 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. All right, here's my next collection of coins. Go ahead and count those up. Write that down on your piece of notebook paper. Got lots of dimes and then a nickel down here at the end if you can't tell. So I can count by tens if I want, or I can touch each one twice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and 65 cents. 65 cents is my total for that collection of coins. All right, boys and girls, this should be a review. Remember that knowing how to count coins is really important. It's something that you have to be good at and accurate, and it's an important life skill. So go ahead and raid your mom's wallet, or ask your dad for the coins that are in his pocket, or empty out your piggy bank and count it. Count and sort the coins. Another activity that's on the choice board that would be a good one to follow up would be the game where you're skip counting. So you need a partner, and you can practice skip counting by 2s, 5s, 10s. You might even try to skip count by 25s. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a picture of a worksheet that you could work on. And again, you might be able to print it out, I'm not sure, but you can always just write the answers down on a piece of notebook paper. Then send me a message on Dojo with your answer. All right, boys and girls, that's all we have for this time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, and I'll see you next time. Bye.